Hello and welcome to the Best Genetics Research Complex. Please note, this briefing is a supplement to the specific and the generic game rules. Background. Yesterday, 3 of the insect containment systems failed at the Best Genetics Research Laboratory. In all, 12 cockroaches, 12 flies, and 16 termites have escaped. It is imperative that they be returned unharmed to the Best Genetics Research Facility. Your mission is to design a robot that will assist in the return of these prize insects. The scientists have been able to track the insects to a construction site on the Best Research Campus. Orientation of the operation. 4 robots will be working simultaneously. Each robot will be starting from one of these corners. The robot will collect insects and insect food. Then each robot will deposit the insects and food in one of their containment systems. The robot leaving from the red square will deposit their insects and food in one of these containment systems. The robot leaving from the blue square will deposit their insects and food in one of these containment systems. The robot leaving from the green square will deposit their insects and food in one of these containment systems. The robot leaving from the yellow square will deposit their insects and food in one of these containment systems. Shed detailed information. Most of the insects have congregated in the shed. The termites have nested in the lower half, 2 on each side. Flies and cockroaches are located in the cabinet. The robot will need to open these doors to access the cabinet. Inside, 4 flies are found flying in a circle in the upper portion of the cabinet. 12 cockroaches are found crawling around in the lower portion of the cabinet. 2 additional flies are found hovering over each side of the cabinet. The cabinet can be accessed via the doors located on each side of the shed. Food dispensers detailed information. We have placed 4 insect food dispensers for the feeding of the insects. The food dispenser activation switches are located here. They will activate the dispenser to the left of the switch. When the switch is pressed, food will be dispensed until the switch is released. Up to 4 pieces of food are available in each dispenser. Containment systems detailed information. Each team has 3 containment systems. Unfortunately, the construction crews have placed scrap materials in front of them. One of the scrap piles contains boards. The middle pile contains leftover pipes. And the last pile contains scrap pieces of wood. There is good news. We have been given permission for the robots to drive over the piles, if necessary. Field obstacles detailed information. Each quadrant of the construction site has 3 construction cones. Under each cone is an additional piece of insect food. There is also a barricade in each quadrant. 2 termites can be found feeding on each barricade. Driver and spotter detailed information. The driver of the robot will need to stand in one of these boxes. The driver will be assisted by a spotter. The spotter will stand in one of these boxes. This concludes your briefing. More details can be found in the specific and generic game rules. Please review them in detail. The rescue operation will commence in 6 weeks. Good luck.